So there's two features down here that allow us to do either multiple tests or allow us to link to another test. The loops feature allows you to run a test. Maybe say you need to do longevity cycling. I need to cycle this part 1,000 times and then do a pressure decay test. I can simply enter a value there. Once I start the test, it will loop that same test the specified number of times. It'll just keep repeating. Well, if I need to do two different tests, or if I need to do a pressure decay test and then an occlusion test, I would use the next program field. So currently we're in program 0, so the next program is 0, so it's not going to go anywhere. But if I change the next program to say 1, at the successful completion of program 0, it will automatically jump to program 1 and whatever's in program 1. When it's done, it auto returns. So the next press of the start button starts test 0, then goes to 1, and it will just keep doing that as many times as you need it to happen. On the vent step, there's actually two functions, timed or auto. Timed means we turn the vent valve on and we turn on a timer and we force it to run to that timer. If you have it set on auto, it's going to open the vent valve, and when we've determined that it reaches a safe point, which is below 0.5 psi, we'll stop. No matter how much time is left in there, we'll just go ahead and stop the timer.